This is Frank. Frank is a design engineer sourcing parts for his design. Frank has done his research, and he knows what he wants to buy and which supplier he plans to buy from. Now, he's relying on his supplier's site search to help him find it. But what happens when his supplier's site search is no help? Well, if Frank is anything like the 4,000 design engineers asked this question in a recent survey, he'll bounce from that supplier's site and find a manufacturer that will put the right results at his fingertips. Frank's frustration is understandable, because managing an entire site with thousands of products and related documents is no easy task. This is Mary. Mary is a webmaster in charge of a supplier's technical search. Mary is tasked with updating thousands of products, including nondescript parts, on a frequent basis. Among her many responsibilities, Mary must make all of these parts findable with multiple tools: keyword search, parametric search, selector configurators, and chatbots, among others. Each of these tools may have a different back-end system, making it tricky to unify results across platforms. Mary feels pressure to meet the expectations of highly technical users, like Frank, who approach product search with a data-driven mindset. Mary knows Frank operates in a long sales cycle. This cycle may require Frank to sift through product design options, conduct preliminary research on suppliers, conceptualize designs, prototype designs, justify his design to management, forge vendor relationships, mass purchase components, or repurchase components. Aside from assisting Frank at every stage of this process, Mary must also explain site traffic to her managers. Mary's best bet is to look at search analytics. But because her search tools don't have a coherent analytics dashboard, she finds it difficult to interpret exactly why clients like Frank bounce from certain tools and product pages. A 2019 EE Tech Media and Marketing Survey reveals exactly how Mary's resources and Frank's search expectations can work in harmony. In the survey, 300 engineers ranked the top 5 ways suppliers can deliver a precise search experience. First, accuracy. Frank is likely to leave a site if he enters a part number and receives 0 results. Mary can avoid this dead end altogether by programming her search engine to guess what Frank's intentions were, even if he misspelled the part number or used a variation of a keyword. Design engineers really care about receiving unified results across multiple domains. That means when Frank inputs a product number into search, he doesn't want to see a forum thread about a component before he sees the product page. But Mary can avoid this roadblock altogether by integrating data across multiple platforms. Mary can also look into real-time analytics, which can help her detect current trends and patterns in how people are using her site. The third trait that designers identified as a deal breaker in their search experience is poor performance. Search engine performance hinges on its ability for recall and precision. Webmasters like Mary can improve search performance with full-text search capability. Other features that enhance accessibility include autocorrect, bigram matching, when a search engine assumes the correct keyword despite a user's added spaces, hyphens, etc., and stemming, when a search engine creates a new keyword, accounting for prefixes, suffixes, or pluralization. When Frank and Mary are on the same page with technical search, great things can happen. Frank can see his supplier's entire product and service offering. Mary sees a return on investment with a low cost of search management. Frank establishes a relationship with the supplier starting with the site's easy-to-use interface. Mary can justify the cost of search with actionable analytics, heightened site security, and SaaS compliance. Upgrade your webmaster's toolkit to meet the expectations of design engineers, because frankly, good search just makes sense for everyone.